Why use Git? In this presentation, we'll explore the key reasons why you should consider using Git for your projects. Git is a distributed version control system that allows you to track changes in your code, collaborate with others, and manage your project's history. Version control systems like Git are essential tools for software development as they help you keep track of your code changes, revert to previous versions if needed, and work with multiple team members on the same code base. Git, in particular, has become the industry standard for version control due to its powerful features and widespread adoption. Throughout this presentation, we'll dive into the specific benefits of using Git, such as its ability to facilitate collaboration, enable efficient workflows, and provide a robust and reliable way to manage your project's evolution over time. By the end of this presentation, you'll have a clear understanding of why Git is a valuable tool for your software development needs. One of the key benefits of using Git is its distributed version control system. Unlike centralized version control systems, where the main repository is hosted on a central server, Git allows each developer to have a full copy of the repository on their local machine. This distributed nature of Git offers several advantages. First, it enables offline work, as developers can commit changes, create branches, and merge code without an active internet connection. This is particularly useful when working in environments with limited or unreliable internet access. Additionally, the distributed nature of Git improves collaboration among team members. Since each developer has a complete copy of the repository, they can work on the same code base simultaneously, committing their changes and then merging them with the main repository. This allows for more efficient and streamlined collaboration, as developers can work independently and then integrate their contributions with the rest of the team. Overall, the distributed version control system provided by Git is a key factor that contributes to its widespread adoption and popularity in the software development community. Another key feature of Git that contributes to its popularity is its branching and merging capabilities. Git's branching model is one of its most powerful features, allowing developers to create and manage branches with ease. Branches in Git are lightweight and easy to create, enabling developers to experiment with new features or bug fixes without affecting the main code base. This allows for a more flexible and iterative development process, where developers can work on different aspects of the project simultaneously without interfering with each other's work. When it's time to integrate the changes, merging branches back into the main code base is a straightforward process in Git. The ability to branch and merge efficiently is crucial for collaborative development and managing complex projects, as it allows multiple team members to work on different parts of the code base and then seamlessly integrate their contributions. The branching and merging capabilities of Git are a key factor that sets it apart from other version control systems and makes it a valuable tool for software development teams of all sizes. Git's capabilities extend beyond just version control, as it also facilitates effective collaboration and supports various workflow models that are essential for software development teams. The distributed nature of Git enables developers to work independently on their own branches, committing changes, and then merging them back into the main repository. This allows for a more flexible and efficient collaboration process, where team members can work on different aspects of the project simultaneously without interfering with each other's work. Git supports various workflow models, such as feature branching, pull requests, and code reviews, which are crucial for effective collaboration and project management. These workflows help maintain code quality, ensure consistency, and streamline the development process. For example, the feature branching workflow allows developers to create separate branches for new features or bug fixes, and then submit pull requests to merge those changes back into the main code base. This enables code reviews, where other team members can review the changes, provide feedback, and ensure the code meets the project's standards before it's integrated. By facilitating these collaborative workflows, Git helps software development teams work more efficiently, that maintain code quality, and manage complex projects with ease. Another key benefit of using Git is its ability to maintain a complete history of all changes made to the codebase, allowing you to track the evolution of your project over time. The commit history in Git provides valuable information about who made changes, when they were made, and what the changes entailed. This traceability is essential for a variety of tasks, such as debugging, code reviews, and understanding the project's development timeline. If you ever need to investigate an issue or understand how a particular feature was implemented, the commit history in Git can be an invaluable resource. Furthermore, Git's powerful undo and revert capabilities make it easy to roll back changes if needed, providing a safety net for your development process. If you ever introduce a bug or make a change that you later decide is not desirable, you can easily revert to a previous commit, ensuring that your code base remains stable and reliable. The comprehensive commit history and traceability features of Git are crucial for maintaining the integrity and transparency of your software development projects, making it a valuable tool for teams of all sizes. One of the key advantages of using Git is its support for distributed workflows, which leverage the distributed nature of the version control system. In a distributed workflow, developers can work on their own local repositories, committing changes, and then pushing them to a central repository when they're ready. This decentralized approach to version control enables parallel development where multiple team members can work on different aspects of the project simultaneously. It also allows for independent experimentation, as developers can create and work on their own branches without affecting the main codebase. The distributed nature of Git, combined with its powerful branching and merging capabilities, further enhances these workflows. Developers can work on their own local repositories, create and merge branches, and then push their changes to the central repository, facilitating seamless collaboration and the integration of contributions from different team members. This flexibility and decentralization offered by Git's distributed workflows are particularly beneficial for large-scale projects, remote teams, and organizations with complex development processes. It enables faster turnaround times, more efficient collaboration, and a more agile approach to software development. Another significant advantage of using Git is its open-source nature and the vibrant community that surrounds it. Git is an open-source version control system, which means that its source code is freely available and can be modified, improved, and contributed to by developers worldwide. This open-source model has led to the creation of a large and active community of Git users and contributors. This community provides extensive documentation, tutorials, tools, and plugins to enhance the Git experience, making it easier for developers to learn, use, and customize the tool to their specific needs. The open source nature of Git also encourages collaboration and contribution to the project itself. Developers can participate in the development of Git by reporting bugs, suggesting improvements, or even contributing code changes. This continuous feedback and contribution from the community lead to ongoing improvements and the introduction of new features, ensuring that Git remains a robust and versatile version control system. The widespread adoption of Git in the software development industry also means that there is a robust ecosystem of resources and support available. Developers can easily find answers to their questions, access community-developed tools and plugins, and connect with other Git users, making it easier to integrate Git into their development workflows. Overall, the open-source nature of Git and its thriving community are significant factors that contribute to its popularity and longevity as a leading version control system. In summary, Git is a distributed version control system that offers a range of benefits that make it a powerful and versatile tool for software development teams. Some of the key advantages of using Git include its distributed workflows and offline work capabilities, efficient branching and merging for collaborative development, comprehensive commit history and traceability, flexible and decentralized workflows, and its open-source nature with an active community. These features enable software development teams to manage their projects effectively, collaborate efficiently, and maintain the integrity and transparency of their codebase. Whether you're working on a small personal project or a large-scale enterprise application, Git's capabilities make it an invaluable tool for modern software development. By leveraging the power of Git, development teams can streamline their workflows, improve code quality, and foster a more collaborative and agile development environment. The widespread adoption of Git in the industry and its robust ecosystem of resources and support further solidify its position as a leading version control system.